So in a Model 55, the main menu is the main screen or home screen for the machine's HMI. There are four categories or four groups of screens we can go to. There's the auto mode screen, manual mode, diagnostics, and setup. Everything else listed underneath here would be your version number for the machine. So if I click on the auto mode screen, it'll take me to what they call cycle configuration. This is the default screen you jump to get into auto mode. But if I hit F4 once, I'll see some other screens. So I'll see the cycle configuration, barrel heaters, as well as mold heaters if that option was installed. So there are potentially three subscreens buried underneath auto mode. You can use F4 to take you back a menu, or F3 or F2 to move through the screens. So I can move through cycle configuration, hit F3 again, will take me to barrel heaters, hit it again, and it'll go through cycle configuration. If mold heat was an option enabled on this, it would take me to mold heat. F2 is the exact opposite, it just takes me in the reverse direction. But if I hit F4 at any point, it'll jump me back to the menu for that category, and if I hit it one more time, it takes you back to the main menu. Menu mode also has several subscreens, but there's one primary screen, which is the axis jog screen. If I hit F4 from this screen, I'm going to jump back to the main menu. But if I go under main menu again, or under manual mode, I do have the option to click on help. So this will let me jog through, or move through different help screens. For example, the carriage diagnostics. What are the reasons why the carriage might not move? Or the injector, the screw, and eventually back out to the axis jog screen. And the previous button does the exact same thing in the reverse direction. If I also just want to jump straight to those, for example, right now, extrude cannot run, I hit help, it'll jump me directly to that screen. And F4 will jump you right back to the axis jog screen. And if I hit F4 again, it'll jog me out. Diagnostic screen also has about four screens buried underneath it. So if I hit F3 again, I can start at machine faults, machine warnings, PLC inputs, PLC outputs, and then go right back to machine faults. F4 again will take me back, see the menu list for diagnostics, hit it one more time, and it takes me back to main menu. And finally, setup. Setup is a more advanced user screen that requires operators to log in to have access to these parameters. We'll discuss more of the setup screens in a later video.